Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 11th of June, 2020. It's currently 4:54 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done on them in the last, well, the new candle was at 4 p.m., so 54 minutes ago. So there's a little bit of work to get through, so let's go straight to the charts. This is my watch list. This is on TradingView. All the pairs that are highlighted in blue are pairs I've got trades on, so it's basically every pair. One's an orange and ones I'm going to discuss in this video. So we'll start with the Oz Swiss. Now, I probably messed up here. I was in a sell here, followed by a hedge buy. So sells are in red, buys are in blue. Then a second sell. And this yellow line is my overall break even for all three trades. So what I've done this afternoon is closed this sell, closed this buy, and off this second sell I've closed 0.04 and put a stop in place, which is this red dash line. And so it just leaves me the one trade on. Now, I probably was a bit premature here. This yellow line was the overall break even. I don't know why I decided to close this. The main reason is the MACD Platinum's through the zero level, so it means once it's in basically in break even or better, I have to take some action. So I took the gamble and I got $2.69 profit out of all those three trades that are closed, but I've still got the potential to make some because I've still got 0.02 on. So this trade can go. I just leave the lines on the charts to show you where the trades were. Ideally, I want a bit more profit than that, but it's a smart thing to do, really, especially when you get into multiple trades, on a sequence. If you get to a position where you can get break even or better, then it's best to be played safe. So I've got the 0.02 on, stop in place, and that $2.69 has been added to my profit. So, it is a high risk trade into the MAs. MAs, that's the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, 240 LMA. The MACD Platinum is just a zero lag MACD. It's an oscillator that oscillates around the zero level. When it's above the zero level, I'm looking to sell. When it's below the zero level, I'm looking to buy. So all these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. Everyone's got access to them. There's a link to that shared spreadsheet in the description to the video. Always, like I say, if you can't understand me, I'm talking too quick, or you don't understand the accent, or English is not your first language, just pause the video, read my notes, and happy to answer any questions you may have, whether it be through my contact page on my website, or in the Facebook group, or Telegram group, or whatever, YouTube channel. I'm happy to answer. All right, CAD Swiss. Now, this is a little bit messy. I was in sequence 1 and also sequence 2. So this is sequence 1. They're all here. Basically, I've closed all sequence 2. I remember if you've watched previous videos, it's in two sequences, both started with a sell. It was just getting too ugly, too many trades on. So I decided to close sequence 2 altogether, and that gave me a profit of $28.11. So it's been added to the total. So that was the bottom, I think it was that break-even level there. So I've only got the one break-even level now, so I can get rid of that. There was multiple trades taken on the same candle. That's why all the lines are still intact. So sequence 1's a fairly involved sequence. Overall break-even's that yellow line there. So price is just above it now. The MACD Platinum is through the zero level, but wasn't enough down far enough for me to close them all out, and I'll take the chance with one sequence. All right, Euro CAD. This is a bit ugly, stuck in a range. Blue trend lines are just like support levels or resistance levels, or something interests me. You can look at the MACD Platinum. It's basically hugging the zero level. So I was in a buy here. I took a hedge sell. Now this hedge sell, I forgot to put it on my spreadsheet. There's a little note here. So it's been tacked on the bottom. It's a spreadsheet. I'm not sure about the formulas. I didn't do it, so I just can't add an extra row. So it's just been tacked on the bottom. There's notes on the spreadsheet and also notes in the chart. But I definitely took it. I checked my broker. And I've taken a second buy. Hopefully it's got a break through this previous high. Overall break even for this, all three trades, 154.035. So it hasn't got far to go, but the way it's been going, it might struggle just to get past this back little blue line. Euro Swiss. Now this thing's been kind to me. I was in a sell up here, hedge buy, second sell, similar to the Oz Swiss, but with a bit more profit. I've closed the sell, closed this buy, and I've closed 0.04 of that second sell and put a stop in place at 108.361. So I was well and truly through the overall break even. So that's all gone. So that trade's gone. That trade's gone. I just leave the, like I said, I just leave the lines. I'm going to show you where the trades were in case you haven't watched the previous video. So I'm in one sell trade, stop and place up here. There was a profit on that of, what did I say, Euro Swiss, $39.36. That's been added to the total, so it's looking good. And last pair, bit messy, Euro Pound. It's been pretty range bound a couple of stages, like through here after the Corona moves, then through here in the last month or so. So, or more than a month. This is a 12-hour chart. So sequence one, sequence two. Sequence one starts here. So there's a new buy signal today, is a green dot, QMP filter. Now the QMP filter is a combination of the MACD Platinum and another indicator called the QQE Advanced, which is not on the chart. So when the cross of the QQE Advanced and the MACD Platinum cross or dot is in sync, it creates these green and red dots on the price chart. It just makes life a bit easy for me, more of a visual aid. So there's a buy signal here. So sequence two, which started here, you've got buy, hedge sell. So that's a second buy for that. So it gives me an overall break even at that yellow line there. So that's 8,994. So that's just for sequence two. For sequence one, it was actually a hedge, fifth hedge buy. And it was for 0.26. I'll never put that in there. I'll fix it up in a minute. 0.26. And that, so that's hedged, break even, not applicable as hedged. Overall break even is off the charts up here, 9.7. That's not what my target is. Look, if it took off, went choom, straight up the 97367, great. If it reverses, I'll get a sell signal and I'll be back in the sell sequence one mode again. So I'm covered both sort of ways. So that's where we're at the moment with Euro Pound. So that's it for the charts, guys. 12-hour charts. Thanks for watching. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, just hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. Like I said, everyone's more than welcome to join the JAGfx Facebook group or Telegram groups. I go into a lot more detail, especially on the daily charts on those groups. And to all those new subscribers on the YouTube channel, thank you very much. It's much appreciated. All right, I'll chat to you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your evening.